If you want it,
Haitian All-StarZ.
got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody
Got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
Great Austin Daniel from Cornbread and Creme Arsenals, our monthly Blague segment. So I think it's a good opportunity for us to all participate in the today's topic, which happens to be
Kissing. That's what you do.
I'm looking at Ingrid like, which happens to be
Kissing. But it's not kissing like you're probably thinking.
yeah, no doubt. Let's talk about it because it's very interesting about the kissing topic when it comes to Haitians. You know what I mean? So let's talk about it real quick.
So basically, as a Haitian child,
Yes.
when you greet adults, if you're a girl, you kiss every single adult in the room. If you're a guy, you get lucky and you can shake the guy's hands,
Right.
and then you can kiss the women.
Exactly. And did you write this one?
I did write that.
Okay, so let's hear some of the.
So I actually wrote it because I hated it so much when I was little. I mean, I used to have to kiss like a whole room full of these men with all this cologne.
Exactly.
Sometimes they didn't have no cologne or deodorant.
You know what's crazy? We touched on that. We touched on that on a previous show.
Yeah, we did.
If y'all listen to the previous archives, we definitely talked about that. Right, Nidra?
It
Yeah.
was like no mercy. I have only brothers. I don't have any sisters, so I was like the only one who had to kiss everybody. It's like,
You have no
mercy.
choice.
Yeah.
Like you have to.
And then the boys would be done all quick. You
Yeah.
go and play,
They
and I'm
just shake
still
their
kissing.
hands.
Right.
Yeah, because you have to kiss both sides, and then you're a representative of your family. So if you don't do it properly, you know,
Yeah.
if you try to skip it, kiss one side, and just, you know, the person feels slighted. Everybody else in the room is like malade.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In trouble.
yeah, and then you know,
And then say it right.
Yeah.
My lid.
malade, you know, and what that translates to is your parents what you have wrong,
Yeah.
you know, and
And then
it's
your
a
parents gonna
reflection
get
of
you
your
after that.
parents.
Yep.
Yeah. Come on, you
So
don't.
you just suck it up and kiss every single
Yeah.
person.
But you know, it's not just malebe, but malebe, which translates into disrespectful.
Yeah, you gotta make the
Such a
face.
major way.
Like a shame to your
Yes.
family.
For
Yeah.
shame.
Yeah.
And then you come back and re-kiss everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you would get caught up. So the boys went and played already, but you're still kissing, and they would stop and be like, oh, so tell me how's school? And then you have to go through that whole thing. The whole show and tell.
Yeah.
And your mom would say something embarrassing about you, of course. Like, yeah, she got in trouble the other day, or, you know, Ingrid got her period last week.
I know. That's the most hilarious part. When they're like, yeah, nigga like me, go from Kunyan. You're just like, oh my God. Let the floor open up and just sink into it.
So how do you raise your kids today? Like are they required to kiss
It
everybody?
depends. They have to kiss the Haitian relatives, but the American, my husband's American, they don't necessarily, like we kiss grandma and stuff like that, but Haitian adults, they don't know, they don't have to kiss.
Yeah, if they don't know somebody, they always hesitate. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't require them to kiss people who they don't know or people who
Yeah.
I'm feeling a little some way about.
Right. It's true. It's true. And they don't know the tradition anyway. You know, it doesn't matter.
DJ, when you're Dominican, so
Yeah.
how does that translate in your culture?
It actually,
your
it actually correlates extremely similar because as a Hispanic youth, we have to enter the room and every grown-up must get kissed, male and female, on the cheek. Like my father, we come into the room, I say bendición, which is like, you know, thank you for giving life to me.
Nice.
Pretty much, and
Nice.
you give him a kiss on the cheek,
Nice.
and he does that to all the grandchildren, wherever you know you are. It's the same principles.
So boys and girls kiss
Boys and
everybody.
girls, everybody. And if you miss one, start all over. That's in a traditional Spanish house.
Nice. I love that. I love that.
It's really, I mean, as an adult now, it's really respectful, you know.
yeah, it is.
It creates an air of discipline,
Yes.
Exactly.
you know, and respect for your elders. So,
You have to get up close and
Yeah.
personal with this person.
That's right. So your teeth better be brushed and your breath better be smelling good.
So what do you do with your kids? Do you make them kiss everybody?
Yes. Absolutely. I'm trying to keep, you know, I'm the last of my circle. I'm the baby in my family.
Okay.
So I'm trying to train them to be as disciplined as I am.
Right.
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't encourage my daughter to kiss everybody. Just like, unfortunately, it's just my Haitian family, and people like you know, my close friends like you, but not everybody. Like if I say, hey Molly, this is my associate or my colleague.
No.
Molly doesn't go to kiss the
Neither
colleague.
do I. No. I do that only with the family members.
But you know, when we meet, you know, it's funny because we're as adults and we're Asian. When we meet somebody, like in the club, someone comes to me, you know, and they say, yo, what's up, DJ Hardhead Harry? I reach in, I give him a pound, and I give him a kiss on the cheek. That's just how I am. You know what I mean? That's just how I am. But my child, you know, we kiss our, you know, especially the ladies, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the guys have fun with that one.
I don't mind kissing the ladies. Sorry, Arlene. Arlene, you know the deal, Arlene.
Lord, he's in trouble.
I always gotta clean it up.
Lord, he's in trouble.
Because she's at home like that. She's like,
I know it.
but it's all good.
Shout out to Arlene that I saw shopping in the supermarket
I know, she
today.
said that today.
I loved it. I loved it because they in my neighborhood. She says, I saw it right in the supermarket. Yeah, so much fun.
I'm like, did she pay for your groceries? Oh, okay.
But even now as an adult, I still feel like I have to kiss like the older Haitians in my family. Like
Absolutely.
it never ends.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
No, but you know what? I'm just in us speaking right now, an African proverb comes up to me, and it's, you know, it takes a village to raise a child. And those children are really saying thank you for watching out for me, because in Haiti, and the tradition, of course, comes from there in Africa. Every last person in that village watches your child when they have to go to
your
school.
mother and your father. That's
so
right.
you're telling them thank you. You know, so you can understand that coming from the rural, but now you're in the big city. But honestly, if I saw Molly doing something, Molly's gonna get whooped.
Yeah.
You know, and then she's gonna be. You could go home and tell your dad,
And he gonna whip you again.
Exactly.
I'll be thanking
So now
you.
she don't know.
Yeah. So you know,
But she'll also know not to be acting out in front of you.
But that's what I'm saying. You as a little child, you're like, I'm kissing this one, I'm kissing. You're making eye contact, and then this person is like, oh, so Shem, you know, you remember me? I was at the party that. So
And you kissed me.
yes. So you know, that's deep. Yeah. I love
Yes,
it.
no doubt, y'all. Listen, if you want to get in on this topic, if you had to kiss everybody, you know, in your family coming up, give us a call. Give us a call at 347. Or actually, give us a text. I always say give us a call.
Don't call us.
Don't call us because we will not answer. But shoot us a text at 347-450-9660. Once again, that's
450-9660.
All right, y'all. Get at us. Shoot us a text. Let us know you're listening if you're tuning in out there. Ron, I'm on the air, man. I'm on the air, Ron. You know what I mean? I'm on the air, Ron.
Respect the gangster.
All right, thank you.
Hey, Harry.
Once again, y'all, at Haitian All-StarZ Radio, Lily.com. Yes, you were about to say.
Hey, we have our French people, visitors from last week. Love it. International show.
Bonjour, bonjour. Comment ça va? Comment ça va?
Thank you so much for coming back and bringing a guest and bringing a friend. That's beautiful.
Oh, and they
Once
double
again.
kissing.
Yeah, they double kissing friends.
Yes, they do.
Haitian All-StarZ.